raining outside, so just in case, I just wanted to wear my raincoat for no reason, even though I'm sitting in a house safely with no rain. I am also enjoying the rain, but at the same time I'm also grateful that I am safe under all these conditions. I hope you are safe. I hope you are doing fine. If by any chance you're not doing good or the rain has come into your house, just stay focused. Nothing lasts forever, good or bad. You know what I'm saying? Talking about good or bad, I have an incident to tell to you guys. So basically, I went to my native for my cousin's marriage, and while I was on the return itself, because of this whole cyclone thing, our train had to stop in the middle of nowhere. Me and my mom were the only persons in the whole compartment itself. But guess what? I just made the most out of it. I came out of the train, I started clicking pictures, I started talking to new people, and the struggle is not over yet. We apparently didn't get any autos to our house, so we had to walk around like 2 kilometers in the rain itself. It was one of our best and amazing experience, but at the same time it was a little bit rough for my mom also. Talking about best things in life, we are going to talk about the best phase of my life, that is right now. This is the first phase, that is kid phase, where you're born, and this is basically the school phase, where you start with high school and you complete your high school. This is basically the college phase, where you have 4 years of graduation, and this is basically the work rest of the life itself. The first stage is kids phase. We don't remember a lot, but this is the phase where I get taken care of a lot, and a lot of people come to me and press my chubby cheeks and ask questions which I don't even understand. The next comes the school phase itself, where we tend to have a little bit of fun, but the most amount of stress is to study. This is the stage where we get to play a lot of games, and we don't even have to worry about anything else in life. Just play games, study for some time, have a good time, and maybe indulge in some puppy love. Maybe it's actually fun, but not with a lot of experience or minimal experience. The next stage of my life, which is college life, which I have recently surpassed. This was my most enjoying and most experiencing stage of my life, period. We do get some little responsibility in life, maybe have some girlfriend or something like that, but people tend to say that this work phase is the most experienced and most responsible. Maybe not in my case. It has been the best phase of my life I have ever experienced, from these past 4 stages of my life itself. I say this because I have the freedom to wake up at any time, whenever I want. I have a healthy body, I have a calm mind, I have good food to eat, I don't have to worry about food or rent, and I don't need so much money for my dream or goal. Overall, I have managed to find the purpose for what I live, or to do a creative job in my own terms, which I am growing daily or which makes me happy daily. When I went to my cousin's marriage and when I saw him getting married, I automatically started thinking about the next phase of life, that is, marriage life and having a baby, lol. Or when I have a kid who calls me dad, and when I tell him bedtime stories that I used to vlog and I used to travel a lot, I used to do all these bad things, I just realized that this 8 years of my next phase of my life is going to be the ultimate, best, super, ultra edge fun phase of my life itself, because I'm physically strong, I'm mentally growing, I will financially grow. Also, I'm only 22, so I don't have any big responsibilities in life or worry about something that I don't have in control. Overall, I just can take any risk without any worry, or just do anything that is of my interest or which makes me happy, such as traveling, skiing, running, climbing, vlogging, sleeping, eating. I just can do anything. I can spend a lot of alone time, which brought me here. Okay, it's actually getting in hot over here. I really have to remove this. Whew. It's actually hot.